We are on board Mia ZOI, and we're seeing Captain Ioannis. Captain, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Great to be on Mia ZOI. Thank you.
Our living room.
Beautiful living room, nice salon.
So let's start with the area the stand. So the area the stand is huge for the meters of the boat. And the table is hydraulic and it's going up and down. It can be a coffee table or can be for 16 guests easily open. I have it in pictures now.
16, you know. So even some additional, wonderful.
Yeah. It's getting very big. Also, there is a bimini that's going inside and outside for the sun. You want to get covered by sun. And
the outside area is very pleasant and seats the people way more than the
of
there's plenty of
course.
space. And the bimini, yeah, like I'm working at it now, it's right here. Thank you for pointing that out.
So here is the dining area inside. We try avoid to use it. We are in Greece in a beautiful sun. Why we use the interior for dinner or breakfast or lunch?
Bad weather.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very nice that we have very seldom bad weather. So there is a day head over there.
I say I quite like the classical style of Mia ZOI.
Yep.
It is.
So we did many refits on board, but we try keep the beginning picture of the boat, the beginning, how you call it in English?
Authenticity, like how it used to be, keep it like that and improve it, work on that, build on it.
Keep it nice. So, after you.
All right, thank you. Quite an entrance, like you feel like a king passing through.
So this is the master cabin. It's totally new, may I say. We refurbish it and we make it new 2018. That we add another one porthole, so it has two portholes each side now. Also we add a shower with steam shower. And we make a wardrobe.
We've got a long way to go to see something very special.
Huge wardrobe. I very much like this type of wardrobe. You can easily put stuff in, out. Walk-in closet.
So the owner of the boat is Australian, first generation, but his parents is Greek. And for them, he make a documentary about all the Greek islands. So the last 5 years, we have been in 200 Greek inhabited islands.
So the documentary was made with the boat?
With the boat. At each island, we go there and we start from food, culture, artifacts, beaches, tourism.
I would mention, and reading through your reviews, you have a review book up there. That is one thing that is very striking, that it's not just like beautiful places, but also the Greek culture, a really Greek experience. I would say, like, Mia ZOI is not pretending to be Italian, it is Greek. This is very classical, and there's certain authenticity to the boat, to the crew. And I understand you as well, like you're an expert in terms of Greek locations.
Yes,
like,
that's true.
There's nobody who has seen them all, but I imagine you are as close as you can be to knowing all the places.
Every Greek island. May I say to you, either rock.
Yep.
So we have stabilizer zero speed here that we added also 2018. You know, the most amazing is that I cannot say a bad thing about a place, or I cannot say that this island is not nice or this island is nice. Because from a different perspective, all of them, they have something to give.
We spoke about that, and what was striking, like, to be specific, are you can make things happen. We mentioned even renting out some historical sites for an evening dinner. We discussed islands where only few people live, and they can make you authentic Greek food that is made on the island. Everything is there.
Yes, correct.
Anything, depending on the charter's wishes, you can create experiences that simply I have not heard anywhere else.
Yep, that's truth. That's truth.
All right, so
after you.
Okay, thank you.
So here we have twin cabins that are convertible to also a double one. So here is example as twin, but if we go exactly at the other side, there is a double one.
So they are mirror images, but done in a different way for the boat show. And the use of mirrors throughout the boat is genius. It makes the boat feel twice, 3 times the size. Yeah, it's like when you walk in and it's directly against you, like you really have a feeling of spaciousness. Which there's the
So, yep, please, the right. So this is the bridge. So that we have replaced almost all the navigation equipment 2018 as well, with touch screens, cameras, and GSM radars, so they are not affecting the people that they are around.
wonderful.
So here is our sun deck. This table is convertible to a big table because when we are inside the port and you want to have a dinner or lunch or breakfast, you don't want the people passing and looking you the time that you're eating, so here you have more privacy. At the same time, here there is a TV that is coming down.
This adjustability and convertibility is amazing, like with the tables and even hydraulic and all that, like it's quite original. So the TV comes down, so I imagine you can watch some football game and hear, yeah, like
Relax on the lounges over there.
cocktails happening here. Amazing. And the jet ski with water toys. And here we can see the size of the Bimini, and I can say that sitting on ZOI is on the Aft Deck is quite an experience. It is large, comfortable, and the shape is very pleasant.
Also, we have a 7.8 meters tender that is chainsaws or we tow it, and that gives us the flexibility that people are getting to the shore easily, all of them together, so we don't have a small tender that, you know, they're going 2x2 or 4x4, and also they are not getting wet easily because it's a big one, and give us a space to have jet ski, flyboard, 2 bobs, 2 pedal boards, and many other like banana couch and water ski, wakeboards. I don't know
It's
if
a
I
list goes
remember.
on.
I don't know if I remember all of them.
Mia ZOI, a boat that's meant to be enjoyed.
Yep.
Okay.
We finished.
I'm wondering, yeah, but I think we have seen everything.
There is also an area that you can go and have a sunbathe
Oh,
in
there's
front.
more.
Yes, of course,
please,
there is
let's
more.
go.
So, please mind your head.
Practicality, like this door being here. The tables, the bimini.
So there is this couch here, but also we add pillows over there for sunbathe. If somebody wants to stay in the sun and, you know, enjoy the.
So private area, I imagine you're coming into the harbor, yes, and the sunbeds can get out there, so you can comfortably have the whole group here arriving at this.
Exactly. Music in front as well.
Oh, so arriving in style then,
Yeah, correct.
in Hydra